Ever felt that tiny jolt of panic at the ATM? You're staring at the screen, fingers hovering over the keypad, wondering, is this going to work? We've all been there. That moment when you need cash, and you need it now. But what if you're pulling from a Westpac account? What's the magic number? How much can you actually get your hands on? Let's be honest, bank jargon can feel like a foreign language. Daily limits, transaction fees, available funds, it's enough to make your head spin. You just want to know how much cash you can grab without getting a nasty surprise. And in today's world, where unexpected expenses pop up faster than ever, knowing your withdrawal limits is more important than ever. We've all heard those stories. Someone tries to withdraw a significant amount for a last-minute emergency, only to be met with a frustrating insufficient funds message. Or worse, a transaction limit exceeded error. Imagine being stuck without the cash you need, just when you need it most. That's a nightmare scenario we're going to help you avoid today. So, let's cut through the confusion and get straight to the point. When it comes to Westpac, the amount you can withdraw isn't a one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on a few key factors. First, your account type plays a big role. Westpac, like most banks, sets different limits for different accounts. For instance, a basic everyday account might have a lower daily limit than a premium savings account. Then there's the type of withdrawal you're making. ATM withdrawals, branch withdrawals, and FPOS cash-outs all have their own rules. Typically, ATM withdrawals have the lowest daily limits, often set to protect you from fraud. Branch withdrawals, on the other hand, usually allow for much larger amounts, provided you have the available funds. Now, for the numbers. Westpac's standard ATM withdrawal limit is generally around $2,000 per day. But, and this is crucial, this can vary. Some accounts might have lower limits, while others might allow for slightly higher amounts. Always check your specific account details online or through the Westpac app to confirm your personal limit. Branch withdrawals are a different story. If you need to withdraw a large sum of cash, heading to a Westpac branch is your best bet. You can usually withdraw significantly more than the ATM limit, but be prepared to provide identification and answer some questions about the purpose of the withdrawal. Banks have strict regulations in place to prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. And don't forget about FPOS cash-outs. While convenient for small purchases, FPOS cash-outs typically have the lowest limits, often capped at a few $100s. They're great for grabbing a bit of extra cash at the supermarket, but not ideal for large withdrawals. Here's a quick tip. If you're planning a large withdrawal, it's always best to give your local Westpac branch a heads up. This allows them to prepare the cash and ensure a smoother transaction. And, of course, always check your available balance before attempting any withdrawal to avoid those awkward insufficient funds moments. Remember, understanding your withdrawal limits is about more than just convenience. It's about financial control. It's about knowing you can access your money when you need it, without any surprises. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.